Thailand's top court has suspended Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra from office pending an investigation into a leaked phone call that she had with Cambodia's former leader, Hun Sen. 36 senators petitioned for Shinawatra's removal from office, saying that she violated the constitution. They accuse her of dishonesty and breaching ethical standards during the phone conversation. The call was about a recent dispute between Cambodia and Thailand, which escalated in late May after a Cambodian soldier was killed in a border clash. Let's get more on the story with Tony Cheng, who's live in Bangkok for us. So, Tony, just give us a little bit of background first as to why this suspension came about.
Well, we were very aware that pressure had been building on Paetongtarn Shinawatra, particularly over the weekend where we saw a rally attended by several thousand people in central Bangkok calling for her to be ousted. This all came from a leaked telephone call with former Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Sen that she clearly thought was confidential. He, however, leaked to the media in which she is heard discussing the border dispute between the two countries, a dispute in which a Cambodian soldier was killed about a month ago. Now, this outraged many Thais who felt that she was too familiar, she was too soft, that she was promoting the interests of her family and their close ties with Hun Sen rather than the interests of Thailand. And she also in that call criticized the Thai military, saying that they were provoking the situation. That then prompted 36 Thai senators to lodge this petition with the Constitutional Court. They've now agreed to investigate that and said by a ruling of 7-2 judges that while that goes on, she will be suspended from her duties. She's responded saying she'll accept the judgment of the court. She said she was only doing what she thought was in the best interests of the country, but she has 15 days to present her case, and she has confidence that the court will understand when she defends herself.
And Tony, what sort of political chaos has this resulted in? Because since the last election, the court has thrown out the party that won, its leader, and now two prime ministers?
Yes, and I think that's the thing. There's been a considerable amount of confusion here in Thailand about this process, what it could lead to. There's even been some talk about military coups, but I think if you look at just the last 2 years since that election happened, first of all, the Constitutional Court knocked out the party that won, moved forward, and their leader. We were back here when that all happened last year. It then took out Setad Hawi Sin, who was the leader of the ruling coalition, from the second party, and it's now taken out that ruling coalition's second prime minister. So we're running out of options here. There is potentially one more choice that ruling coalition could propose as prime minister, but that's a gentleman who's been suffering from serious health ailments. Most people think he's probably unqualified. And then we're back in the chaos of smaller coalition governments, other prime ministers, but it really doesn't look very good for the democratic future of Thailand. I think many people are asking why would they need to have military coups anymore when the Constitutional Court can wreak so much damage on democratically elected governments.
OK, thank you for that. Tony Cheng there for us in Bangkok. Meanwhile, Thaksin Shinawatra, Paetongtarn's father and former Prime Minister himself, has appeared in court for a royal defamation trial. The head of the Shinawatra family, who was elected twice in the early 2000s, is accused of violating Thailand's strict laws, which protect the king from criticism. The charges stem from an interview that he gave in 2015 to South Korean media. He faces up to 15 years in prison if convicted.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.